last product of this video, I will talk about this mask. Now it's really a product that is for self-care day. I wait for Friday evening to apply this. It's really a feel good product, sort of. I keep it in my fridge. It's not necessary, but I like how it feels. I like the cold feeling of this mask. Again, with the mask, similar ingredients, very loving and soothing ingredients, but do you see that? Along with all of that lovely ingredients, the hero ingredient in this one is kaolin. Now, if you follow me for more than a year now, you know I have used tons of kaolin clay mask on this channel, so I know a thing or two about that. Okay, so this ingredient basically helps with acne. I tell you why, because it absorbs all the sebum production from your face, which could clog your pores and give you acne. So, and another hero ingredient we have is bentonite. It sucks out all the gunk. If that's yucky image for you guys, let me tell you, it basically detoxifies your skin. So in result, it will kind of make your skin look brighter. Another thing I was surprised to see here on the ingredient list is chemical exfoliator. We have glycolic acid here, which is a very effective chemical exfoliator. It has very small molecules compared to any other AHA, BHA, PHA, whatever. So it can penetrate deeper into your skin and really remove those stubborn scars, acne marks some of those marks you just cannot get rid of for years. Glycolic acid is the product you should go to if you have. I'm sorry about my speech today. I am so sleep deprived, so don't forget to drink water. What I was saying is, it kind of helps you get rid of those stubborn pigmentation, acne marks. Glycolic acid is extremely effective for removing that kind of pigmentation. So overall, I like this mask. I use it about once a week or every 10 days or so. I keep this one on for about 15 minutes and then I would wash it off with warm water. When you use this, I'd suggest you just follow it up with a gentle moisturizer like the one from this line, this one, or the whatever moisturizer you want to use, but make sure it doesn't have any actives in it. Just very gentle one, just because it's good to let your skin rest and recover after this. Now, I don't think it's very harsh mask. It actually feels really conditioning to your skin, but that's just my experience to keep it minimal after something like this. So that's just my opinion. I don't think it's necessary. I did not get paid to talk about them. I just feel like this particularly this line is very affordable and true to its ingredient based science. Also, it's cruelty free brand. I know some of you really only choose cruelty free skincare, so just so you know. And that's it for today's video. I will see you tomorrow.